So as Kenya, we are very happy first that we have a very large youth dividend. I think we have 75.5% of our population being just youth. So these are 35 million under the age of 35. They are very technology savvy, and we've seen that we can use the technology to be able to work with them, whether it is in creating jobs, whether it's in being able to provide the services that are required, whether it is for education, for entertainment. These have been very key for us. And so even at an early age, we have ensured that within the schools, we have the right curriculum, we've put in the right infrastructure so that they can already begin to interact and engage with the technologies. Within government, we're ensuring that many of our services are now going digital, so that other than even the ID, when we're putting a digital ID, we're ensuring that government services can be offered across the country from wherever you are, just using the technology.